Never feel like you're on your own, because no matter what threatens you, there are always people willing to help. People who are determined to face any challenge, and who are ready to act at any moment. When the going gets tough and the stakes are high, when Earth's volatile nature rears its head, these are the people who rise to the occasion. Ultimately, they're just like you and I. None of us are born strong. And finding inner strength doesn't happen overnight. We are proud to make the tools that these everyday heroes rely on. But we know that ultimately, our tools rely on the people who know how to use them. People who are ready, now and always, to protect you.